Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing well, thanks. My name is Beckah. Well, how do you say your name?
My name is Sahiba.
Sahiba. Where are you
Yes.
from?
I am from
Nice name.
India.
Oh, very nice. What part?
Yeah.
Like
In
north?
northern part.
Oh, oh, nice.
Yeah.
How is the weather? How is the pandemic over there? Is it getting better?
Yes, yes. Right
Oh,
now,
good.
it's raining here. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
What
I
about you?
always get depressed when it rains. I'm in California. The weather's sunny and pleasant here. Yeah,
Wow.
it's about
You are from.
75 degrees.
Mhm.
Yeah, Fahrenheit. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm from California. It's
Wow.
always nice weather here. Yeah.
Okay. So, uh, can you tell me a little bit about California people culture?
Oh, weather is
Not
it's
good.
like not good. It's like
What?
I don't know. Like everybody there's no sense of morality, you know what I mean? Like people there's like 13 genders, there's like LGBTQ, there's just confusion with family, like what it means to have a family. Like
Yes.
adopt two men can
Oh.
be mother and father to an adopted child. There's just a lot of crazy things going on here, and it's very left. It's a left culture, meaning it's not kind of more towards
Yes.
socialism.
Yes.
Yeah. So California, of all the states in the U.S., is
Yeah.
more it leans more toward socialism. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and but the good side of California is a lot of the people are really super super nice. You know, they're not judgmental. You know, everybody's like into health and fitness, and there's a lot of beaches here, so and a lot of things to do. You're never bored
Mhm.
in California. There's always some event going on, you know? So,
Oh.
what about in your country? What's your
Yeah.
culture like?
Yes. My where I am living right now, it's very beautiful place. So I am living in Kashmir. Have you heard about Kashmir?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's very
Yeah.
beautiful place.
Nice. I never talked to anybody from there. That's nice.
Oh.
Uh, yeah, I never, I always hear about Kashmir, but I'm glad I'm talking to you. Yeah. So
Oh.
it's beautiful. What else is unique to Kashmir? What else is unique about your city?
Uh.
Something
Sorry.
unique.
Yeah.
Yeah, what else is unique? Unique means like something that
Yes. Yes.
only Kashmir has and no other cities have. Yeah. Yeah, something that you
Uh.
stand out for, you know? Like California stands out because we have the most beautiful beaches here compared to any other state
Yeah.
besides Florida, you know?
In Kashmir, a lot of nature, all greenery, and a lot of
Oh,
fruits,
oh,
and
nice.
yeah. So it's very very beautiful place. A lot of mountains, a lot of trees, animals.
Oh,
Yeah.
so is it a small town or kind of a medium, I don't know, like a
Yeah,
big city?
small, small,
Oh, okay.
small city. Yes,
Oh, okay. Yeah.
yes.
And are you in school right now? You look young.
Yes. I am in 12th grade right now.
You are? Oh my gosh. You're very much you act so mature.
Yeah.
You know, you look and you some I think you appear more mature, but you're young, I can tell.
Yeah.
Um, so
I
do you
am.
ever have
Mhm.
go ahead.
I
Go
am
ahead. Yeah.
17 years old.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Do you ever have any goals of like leaving Kashmir? Like maybe like going to a different city someday? Like for college? or
Yeah, actually, I want to take new admission in next year in California. So that's why I ask you about
oh my
California
gosh.
culture.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah,
Um, yeah, you have to be equipped. Like there's a lot of surprising, shocking things that you'll see. So
yeah.
you have to kind of get used to it. Yeah. California, are you thinking of coming to
I don't
South
know.
or North?
Mm, I don't know so much about California. Just I am planning.
So you want to go to a university here?
Yes, yes, in Islamic
Oh,
University.
oh, yeah. Are there? I
Yes.
don't know if there's a lot of them here. Are there Islamic universities here? I don't know. I'm not sure.
Okay, actually,
There are several.
um, my teacher, she is living in California.
Okay.
She
Yeah.
had completed uh, uh, study in California.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, there's still a lot of things I need to learn about California.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not a native here. I'm actually from New York. So
Right
I
now?
moved here. No, like I moved to California, but
Okay.
I was raised in New York. Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah. So
you have completed your study,
college.
college,
Yeah.
university. Oh,
Yeah.
how
So
long?
I'm a web developer. About
Wow,
7 years. Yeah.
web
I'm a web
developer.
developer, and I
You
teach
are
English.
engineer?
Front end engineer, I guess. Yeah, I only
Wow.
focus on front end. Yeah, yeah. So
Okay.
that's my thing. I do that. When I'm not teaching here, I'm doing that work. Yeah.
Okay.
So what do you want to study in college?
Sorry?
Like, what do you want to study in college? Like, what degree or what major? Major.
Actually, I want to become an Islamic scholar.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
What do you
scholar.
do? What do you do as a scholar? Like
Teacher,
teach?
like teacher.
So you
Yes.
would need to get a PhD, I think, right?
Yes, 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 exactly.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
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 That's good. That's good. If I think people should be aware of all religions, like especially because so many people have a misunderstanding of the Muslim faith, uh, because
So,
it's a lack of knowledge. Yeah.
mhm. So, you tell me, there is Muslim. There are Muslim in your country, in your city, California.
Yeah, I have some Muslim friends.
Oh,
Um, they live like in Orange County and certain areas. Like there's some in LA, some in Orange County, some in San Francisco. Yeah,
okay,
there's a quite a few Muslims here. Yeah. hmm
okay,
I'm not Muslim, but I have friends that are Muslim. So I have
okay.
friends from all over. Yeah,
So
all
you
over
are.
the world.
What's your religion?
I'm Christian.
Christian. Oh,
Yeah.
how?
Yeah. Yep. I grew up as a Hindu because my mom is Hindu, dad is Italian.
Oh,
But yeah, but I came to the faith on my own. Like, you know, I
so
studied many religions and I decided, okay, Christianity is what I like. Yeah.
okay.
hmm
Mm, okay,
Any
so
questions? 30 more seconds. Yeah.
yes, yes, yes. So you are living in your with your family?
Yeah, I recently got married. Like 2 years ago, I got married.
Oh, how old
Yeah.
are you?
Like 27, almost 28. Yeah.
Okay, I thought you are unmarried. You are single.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
No. Yeah,
Okay,
some
it's
people
nice to
feel
meet you. Bye bye.
nice
Thank
to
you.
meet you. Bye. Bye.
See you again.